Hi guys, this is me again and welcome back with another vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I perm my lashes using this Icon Sign Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit. Ito siya guys. And sa loob niya, ganito siya. I do not know if you can see. So ayan siya. I super recommend this product kasi sobrang effective niyang gamitin. Hindi siya stingy sa mata, hindi siya masakit. Unlike dun sa ibang product na kapag in-apply mo sa mata natin is medyo maluluha ka pa. Ito guys, super effective niya and subok na subok ko din talaga na naglalas yung effectiveness niya for 2 to 3 months. Sobrang ganda niya guys. Look at my lashes. Guys, hindi ako naglagay ng mascara. Ginamit ko lang tong lash lift na to. And that's how it looks like after mo siya gamitin. Nasubukan ko na din siyang gamitin sa lashes ng anak ko and it really works.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
So that's all for today's video guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and comment down below. Kung may mga katanungan kayo or any suggestions guys, I will answer that sa abot ng aking makakaya. At syempre guys, huwag nyo din kalimutang mag-subscribe and click the bell button and select all to get notified dahil madami pa ako guys i-upload na bagong video.